In this video, we will discuss the profile part of your account, then the increased security of your account by activating 2FA or two-factor authentication.
Once connected to your Seed Space, we invite you first to go to your profile. First, click on the profile icon located at the top right and then on the My Profile tab.
Note that you can easily change the language of the Seed interface by clicking on the list of countries at the bottom right of the platform. In this Profile tab, you can fill in your additional information that we invite you to fill in as soon as you start.
Regarding your personal information, you will find the previous fields filled in when you registered. Now complete the fields relating to your domiciliation, namely, address, city, region or state, postal code and country. All these fields are mandatory before validation. To save the changes, click on the Update button. It is also possible to insert a profile photo by choosing a photo or avatar in JPG or PNG format. Once loaded, a notification appears confirming that your image is supported.
In the Password section, you have the option to change your password. To do this, enter the current password and then your new password twice, which must always contain at least 8 characters, a capital letter, a symbol and a number. Click Save to update it. This manipulation can be useful when you think that your passwords may have been corrupted.
Let's take a look now at a very important step for the future security of your account, the activation of two-factor authentication. This technology makes it possible to greatly reduce any attempt to hack your accounts thanks to the double verification of your identity. To access your space, the platform will ask you to enter a temporary code that you have on another device each time you log in addition to your password.
To activate this security, start by downloading the Authy application available on Google Play or the App Store to your smartphone. We strongly recommend this application to store your authentication data. The application is also available on your computers, whether Windows or Mac. For users who do not yet have an Authy account, we invite you to follow the video on creating your Authy account.
For more advanced users who already use 2FA, you can also use the Google Authenticator or Authy app and play this video after activating 2FA. To do this, click on the Activate button, then enter your Seed account password and click on Confirm.
The following elements allow you to connect 2FA to your application. From your Authy application, click on Add an account, then scan the QR code or copy the configuration key if you are doing it from your computer.
Once synchronized, your 2FA is active on your Authy application and appears on it a 6-digit code valid for 30 seconds. It is this code that you will be asked for each new connection to the Seed platform. Always make sure you have this device when you log into your Seed Space.
Recovery codes are your potential backups in case you lose your device holding the Authy app. Be sure to write down these codes on paper or in a secure file. In case of problems, you always have the option of temporarily disabling this two-factor authentication or clicking on the Disable button. And you can also regenerate the recovery codes in case of doubt of loss of these.
The last layer of security in your profile concerns viewing the history of your devices that have been used to connect to the Seed platform. In case of suspicion of external or malicious connection, you have the possibility to disconnect all the devices listed in your Seed account by clicking on Log Out. Remember in this case also to change your password after this manipulation. That's it, you now have all the means to secure your Seed account as much as possible.